Hi everyone. These sums from the chapter Similar Triangles, exercise 8.2, 10th problem. All these are construction of similar triangles. To understand these problems, first we recall some small concepts. Listen. Proper, whole and improper. What is mean by proper fraction? For example, there are total three parts. Among them, one part or two parts. Then we can write 3 by 3, 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3 like this. This 3 by 3 means total parts are 3 and we have 3 parts. This is whole fraction, or we can say another name for this fraction is improper fraction. And 1 by 3, 2 by 3. These two fractions are less than whole. For example, there is a whole pizza. This pizza divided into 3 parts. If a bite taken one part, that is less than whole pizza. Another bite taken 2 parts, then also that part is less than whole pizza. Then third bite taken whole pizza. 1, 2, 3. 3 pieces also he taken. This whole means one value, and 4 by 3 means whole pizza and another pizza, in that also one piece. In another pizza also one piece. Understood? Proper fraction value always less than 1. This all proper fraction value is always less than 1. And improper fraction is this value 1 or more than 1. 3 by 3 also improper fraction, 4 by 3 also improper fraction, 5 by 3 also improper fraction. 1 by 3, 2 by 3. These two fractions are less than whole part. This is more important to understand and solve the exercise 8.2. 10th problem. Construct a triangle shadow similar to the given triangle ABC with its sides equal to 5 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Here important one is scale factor 5 by 3. With the help of given triangle ABC, we need to build one more triangle similar to this triangle ABC, and that new triangle, this triangle ABC relation is this scale factor 5 by 3. Understood? This 5 by 3 means, for example, 3 by 3 given fraction, 3 by 3 whole fraction, 3 by 3 fraction, and 3 by 3 here. This triangle, whole triangle, we need to construct more than this triangle, exterior of this triangle and previous triangle similar to each other. Okay, with some measurements. First you draw rough diagram. A, B, C. See, I will show you. First, for this problem, you draw ABC rough diagram. 5 by 3 means 3 by 3 whole fraction, 3 by 3 given triangle. 5 by 3 means more than this triangle, means exterior of this triangle, means biggest of this triangle. So new triangle like this will come. 5 by 3. A, B, C. Draw an acute angle. How many parts are here? 3 parts. but we need to draw 5 parts. So this ray you divide into 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Our triangle, whole triangle, how many parts? 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Draw one line like this. But asked triangle is 5 parts parallel to this line. This is the rough diagram for understanding sake. A dash, B, this is X, this one is C dash. First you draw right hand side one rough diagram like this. Okay, now this one is called compass, this one is called scale, and this one is called protractor. This scale another name is ruler. This one is compass, not box, compass. With the help of these we can draw the similar triangle. First, exact measurement not given in this problem. Construct a triangle shadow similar to the given triangle ABC. You draw any measurement, triangle ABC. Any triangle. A, B, C. Now here important one is scale factor. With the help of this scale factor only we can build the similar triangle to given triangle. 5 by 3 parts. This given triangle 3 by 3 whole triangle needed as to build 5 by 3 of this triangle. Okay, so first you extend this base side because our new triangle is exterior of this triangle, bigger of this triangle. For that sake you extend these two sides. Okay, now you draw one more acute angle to this side of BC. Label here this ray from point B to X. How many parts we needed to divide here depend on this denominator. How much denominator? 3 denominator. So first you draw 3 parts with same radius. 1, 2, 3 parts. With these 3 parts equal to this triangle, but asked us to build 5 parts of triangle. This equal 3 parts, so we draw more 2 parts, means total 5 parts. 5 parts. Okay, these 5 parts equal to new triangle and these 3 parts equal to given triangle. Draw a line segment. First, before that, label this point names B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. This B3 to C. You draw a line segment. This acute angle you draw opposite to vertex A. Okay, this B3C standard triangle, given triangle. Now asked triangle is 5 parts triangle. Here we need to draw a parallel line to B3C to B5 to C dash. How we can draw a parallel line? If I take like this, maybe it will come parallel or not. Then how we can draw? There are many methods to draw the parallel line. Among them, one of the method, use the protractor and find how much angle is this. Maybe this angle is okay, how much? 0 to less than 83 degrees from B5 point to approximately 83 degrees for our better understanding sake. Another method is take a exact radius, draw one arc from point B3 to touch BX to BC. Okay, take this radius same one more time from B3, take some radius, same radius you draw here from P5. Now with this measurement draw an intersect arc. These two intersect arcs through we can draw parallel line. See, these two are going to same. Before we located here degrees, approximately this is the parallel line to B3C side to B5C dash. Understood? But in the textbook given that draw parallel line, that's all. These are two methods to draw exact parallel line. Now again draw one more parallel line AC to one more parallel line C dash to A dash. How we can draw means same again. Take how much this angle from point C, 58 approximately. From here also you locate 58 degrees, 55, 56, 57, 58. And another method, draw an arc from point C, same arc from C dash. Now take this radius, take this radius drawn here. With the help of this radius through we can draw a parallel line like this. Understood? This is A on the same line segment A dash. This is B, BX, B to C, C dash. Asked the 5/3 of similar triangle we drawn. This is ABC triangle, then similar to this triangle. Suppose this one is ABC triangle. Now this one is A dash B C dash triangle. These two triangles are similar to each other. I drawn here. Okay, first write the rough diagram, draw the rough diagram. You rectify what is the scale factor given. This scale factor depend new triangle is interior of the triangle or exterior of the triangle. We can confirm. If this is a proper fraction, then the new triangle will come inside the triangle. If this is an improper fraction, the new triangle will come exterior of the triangle. Okay, with these measurements I drawn similar triangles. Now how we drawn similar triangles, write few steps here. Construction of a similar triangle. First what we did with the given measurements, here not given measurement, just said that draw triangle ABC. So I drawn a triangle ABC. Then a triangle ABC, I drawn an acute angle CBX. Acute angle CBX, I drawn one an acute angle CBX. This acute angle I divided it in 5 parts. Like you write few steps about how you drawn this triangle. Thank you.